so much. Good morning. It is general cleaning day and I will start with the restroom. So we are done with the restroom right now. I will go ahead and tackle yung matagal ko nang pinaprocrastinate, the fridge. For sure, ang dami ng mga expired doon, ang dami ng mga sirang LO, which I am guilty. Sorry, Mama Earth. Okay, I need to have a system in place for this para hindi na ako nasisiraan ng food. And that's also one of my weaknesses nung gumawa ako ng SWOT. Wow, my SWOT analysis in life. So, yeah. Ayun. So, now, let's go ahead and go to the fridge. So, this is our before video. Look at that. Sobrang daming unorganized stuff. Ang daming mga LO na hindi ko nagamit ulit. Look at this. I also have to check if we still have something to cook there. And over here as well, yung mga dairy and fruits. And oh gosh, I still have beer here, which I totally forgot about. There. What a mess. Let's see. And yung freezer, sobrang dami rin laman. I also have to tackle these and wish me luck. Sana matapos ko siya for the day. I have been procrastinating this so much and I'm fine. I'm happy na at least kahit hindi pa ako ganun ka-ready, we will be tackling this head on. This is how it looks like now. Of course, it's still not pristine, but at least we freed up some shelves here and nakikita ko na rin lahat from here. Ganito na rin siya dito. Nakapagtapon na tayo ng ibang hindi na natin need. And then papalitan kasi natin ng desk to. So, eto, gusto ko siyang ilipat dito. Let's see if gagana. It worked! Kasha siya! Look at that! Yay, more storage. Love it! Parang sinukat, as in super duper sakto. Look at that. So, I just tried to clear this out kasi ito, gusto ko siyang ilagay sa taas ng sink. Let's see. Magpapatulong tayo kay Kuya Raymar. Let me take this out. And then, dito natin siya ilalagay. Kasi yung sink namin, nasa labas. Kasi hindi na siya kasya sa loob ng pantry. So, dito natin siya ilalagay.
Hello from the future editing Rizza. This video is sponsored by Healthy Clean. It's a multi-purpose cleaner made of all natural ingredients. It has vinegar. It's made of 100% all natural vinegar, pero hindi talaga siya amoy vinegar. And they were very generous enough to be giving away one of these to one lucky winner. All you have to do is follow Healthy Clean on Instagram. Of course, you also have to follow me. Comment on this video down below and I will be choosing one lucky winner on my video next week. Okay, back to the video. Enjoy! Thank you, Healthy Clean!
Progress. Wala na yung ano dito, yung lalagyan dito kanina. And this is much more organized. Hindi pa yan tapos. Hindi siya super ayos. And actually, this ones, I need to put stickers on it here. Kasi ang dami ng stains. So, I think magpapaprint ako sa Manila for that. I wanna cover this. I'm not sure yet kung anong designs, but for sure this one and these ones will be covered. Abangan ang susunod na kabanata. And these ones naman, yung mga tumblers. By the way, if you guys don't know yet, I collect tumblers. So, these ones sobrang cluttered niya and I want to put it here sa baba.